welcome to today's update. In this video, we're diving into the shocking details of Nicole Kidman and Keith Urban's bombshell divorce filing. After nearly 2 decades of marriage, the Oscar-winning actress and the country music superstar have officially gone their separate ways. Court documents have now revealed exactly how their assets, custody arrangements, and financial responsibilities will be divided, and the details are nothing short of eye-opening. Let's break down everything we've learned. But after 19 years together, Nicole Kidman and Keith Urban's marriage has officially come to an end. On September 30th, Nicole, 58, filed for divorce from Keith, 57, in Davidson County, Tennessee, just 1 day after the news of their split made headlines. The documents shed light on how the couple planned their separation well in advance, covering everything from custody of their daughters to the division of property and finances. Family law attorney Marilyn Chinitz, who is not directly involved in the case, notes that it's clear the pair worked out the fine details long before making anything public. This explains why the filing was so thorough and why there seems to be little conflict between the two stars. The cause of divorce. The legal paperwork cites irreconcilable differences as the reason for the split. While the filing doesn't go into specifics, it confirms that Nicole was the one who officially initiated the divorce proceedings. The date of separation. Interestingly, the documents list September 30th, 2025 as their official date of separation, but signs of a planned dissolution were in place weeks earlier. For example, a parenting plan concerning their daughters was signed by Keith on August 29th and by Nicole on September 6th, well before the official filing. Custody of their daughters. Nicole and Keith share 2 daughters, Sunday Rose, aged 17, and Faith Margaret, age 14. According to the parenting plan order, Nicole has been named the primary residential parent. The girls will spend 306 days of the year with her and 59 days with Keith. Keith's visitation schedule is limited to alternate weekends, from Saturday morning to Sunday evening. The agreement also gives him Father's Day every year, while holidays like Thanksgiving and Christmas alternate depending on the year. For instance, Nicole has full custody during Christmas in odd-numbered years, while in even-numbered years the holiday is shared equally. Nicole also gets custody of the girls every Easter, every Mother's Day, and spring breaks on even-numbered years. Keith, in turn, has spring break during odd-numbered years. As for summer vacations, the standard alternating weekend schedule still applies, though both parents are allowed to request 2 separate weeks of uninterrupted vacation time with the children. No alimony between the couple. Despite their immense wealth, neither Nicole nor Keith will be paying spousal support. The agreement clearly states that both parties waive any right to alimony. This decision likely reflects the fact that both stars earn more than $100,000 per month and have more than enough resources to support themselves. Each of them is also responsible for their own personal debts. No joint assets. Perhaps the most surprising detail is that Nicole and Keith reportedly don't own any joint assets. All of their real estate, businesses, and investments were held separately through trusts and companies. Each of them retains full ownership of their own properties and financial accounts, free from any claims by the other. This arrangement suggests they may have kept their finances largely independent throughout their marriage, separate financial assets and creative work. The agreement also makes it clear that Nicole and Keith are keeping their own bank accounts, investment portfolios, and intellectual property. This includes business ventures, retirement accounts, and even creative rights connected to their careers. In fact, they even went as far as dividing their hotel, airline, and credit card points, a detail that shows just how meticulous their planning was. Child support already settled. Interestingly, there's no provision for ongoing child support. Instead, Keith prepaid his share of childcare, private school tuition, nanny costs, and extracurricular activities. This payment covers both daughters until they reach adulthood and graduate high school. Moving forward, Keith is only responsible for the girls' expenses during the time they're with him. Shared decision-making for the children. When it comes to major parenting decisions, such as education, medical care, religion, and extracurricular activities, both Nicole and Keith will make choices together. However, if the two ever disagree, Nicole has the final say as the primary parent. Division of personal belongings. As for household items, the divorce papers confirm that everything from furniture and art to clothing and jewellery has already been divided. The couple also agreed that vehicles will be kept by whoever's name is on the title. Essentially, Nicole keeps what's hers, Keith keeps what's his, and there's no overlap or dispute. Nicole Kidman and Keith Urban's divorce may come as a shock to fans, but the filing reveals just how carefully they planned their separation. From custody schedules to financial independence, every detail appears to have been worked out in advance, minimizing conflict and leaving little room for disagreement. After 19 years of marriage, the two stars now move forward on separate paths, but with a clear agreement on how to co-parent their daughters. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown informative, be sure to like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future updates on major celebrity stories.